where to find the Files app on your iPad. Probably the simplest way to find the Files app is to simply swipe down with one finger. You can do that, for example, here in the middle of the screen, and you will then get a search field on top, and you can then simply search for Files. On the top hit, you should see the Files app, and you can then simply tap on it to open it up. Now you should actually also see the Files app as a regular application just on one of your screens where you see the regular apps. So let's have a look, and as you can see, we have the Files app here as well. The icon is a blue folder in front of a white background. Now if you regularly use the Files app, you can simply long press on it and then drag it down and put it here on your toolbar. Then just tap outside of the toolbar here so that our apps will stop shaking. And just like that, you put the Files app to the toolbar at the bottom for easier access. Now, last but not least, you can also access the Files app directly from your browser. For example, if we are in Safari, and when you make a download, I'm simply going to download a font here for a second. So for example, this Under Highport font looks pretty awesome. On the right side, I would tap on download. Okay, here I have to confirm that download again. But then after downloading, you will always see this down arrow symbol. And once you tap on that, you will see your latest downloads. And when you click on the magnifying glass on the right side, guess what happens? You will get straight into the Files app as well. So this is where you find the Files app on your iPad. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day, guys. Bye.